My sprinkles, if you open this YouTube niches, I bet you in few months time your videos will go viral and your channel will be monetized. Keep on watching. Let me share those niches that quickly goes viral on YouTube. Okay. Hello sprinkles, welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on everything YouTube improvement tips and how-to videos. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. I'll always ask you to subscribe because I post value pack educating content on this channel. If you're doubting me, please go through my other content to confirm this. In today's video, I will be talking about best YouTube niches that goes viral quickly in 2024. Please keep on watching. My sprinkles, as promised in the intro, I'll be talking about 5 YouTube niches that will go viral in 2024. The first niche on my list is the DIY niche. This niche is versatile and also it is value pack niche. If you're good with craft, if you're good at making things, if you're good at teaching how to make things, this is the niche for you. And this niche goes viral because people are trying to learn how to do most and basic DIYs from the comfort of their home. Some people are looking for DIYs they can do in their office, in their home, in their school, in their background, even in YouTube background. People need DIY ideas they can even do in their business places. Okay, these DIYs are even important to schools, students. So you can see that there's so many range of people interested in this niche. Definitely, when there are lots of people interested in a niche, that niche has the tendency to go viral. If you're planning on opening a niche that is related to DIY, don't bother yourself, don't worry, it will go viral. Your channel will go viral because there are lots of people interested in home decor stuff, lots of people interested in DIY stuff, lots of people. There are a lot of things I have learned through DIY niches. So if you're opening your channel that you want to start sharing knowledge about making home decor or stuff like that, you will surely go viral. Your channel will surely go viral. Let's move on to the next point. Okay, my sprinkles, the number 2 niche on my list is hairstyle niches. This niche is very versatile and value packed. Like, you can learn a lot and you will learn a lot from these niches. There is no girlies or guys that will say that they never went to hairstyle niches to learn one or two from them about frontal closure, wig making, wig maintenance. Nobody will say they didn't. I personally, I did. Okay, this niche has lots of audience watching it, running after it, looking for it. As far as you're good in your craft and you're good in what you're doing, your video will definitely go viral. Your channel will definitely go viral. In this niche, you can either be a wig expert or a braid expert or others expert in other things. You can be talking about wig making, wig maintenance, frontal laying, and doing other things. You can be giving out tips on how to maintain our wigs. Also, you can also be braiding wigs, giving out styles to braid, how to maintain healthy hair, how to maintain natural hair, how to maintain relaxed hair. In this niche, there are different parts to it and you can start up with anyone. This niche is versatile, including male and female. Anybody can go into this niche. Okay, let's move on to the next niche. My sprinkles, the 3rd niche on my list is the sewing niches. This niche is versatile and value packed. You can watch tutorials on how to sew a particular cloth, be it a particular type of style, a particular type of materials. You can give tutorials. You can even add styling to the niche. It will even be best if you are an authority in the fashion world. What I mean by authority in the fashion world is that if maybe you go to a sewing school or a fashion school, you will have people running to your channel. There's so many people interested in learning how to sew online. My neighbor is taking online courses on how to sew different clothes, suits, jackets and gown. It will be a particular channel in YouTube. What she did was to get a machine, and as she's watching, she's practicing. She's watching, she's practicing. I have so many things I've learned on YouTube that I didn't even go out to learn it, and I'm perfect in it because I keep on watching and practicing. That is it. There are so many people interested, both male and female, who can open this niche, and also both male and female are interested in this niche. Your audience is wild. Students, college students, young growing teenagers are interested in this niche. So your audience is spread out, is wild, with different age ranges. If you're thinking about starting a channel and you have sewing in mind, don't give up. That channel can go viral because it has so many audience interested in it. Okay, let's move to the next niche on my list. My sprinkles. The fourth niche on my list is weight loss and healthy eating niches. We are now in the era where everybody wants to eat right and are tilting towards eating healthy, including me. I'm not exceptional. I want to eat healthy because I want to take care of my body. Now everybody wants to take care of their body. Everybody's looking for videos that can give them tips on how to eat right and eat well. Okay? If you think you are an authority in the medical field, if you know about eating well, why not? There are so many people, so many audience interested in watching and learning how to eat right. Apart from this niche having audiences looking and searching for content towards what they want, you can touch up your own or add in your own exercise, little exercise you can do from home. I know of channel that only deals with simple exercise you can do from home. A lot of channel are on that. Then there are a lot of channel of that teaches you the meals to eat as breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now this niche is very versatile and all age group are involved because people even want their children to eat healthy too. If you're a healthy eating expert or a nutritionist or a food expert, you can open channel towards this and you can handle this and people will watch your channel. I've never seen a healthy eating lifestyle channel that is low. No, this channel grows rapidly, they go viral quickly because people want to consume that kind of content. I want to consume those kind of content because I want to eat healthy. I want channel that will talk about this. So if I see a channel, I'm going to stick to it. You will agree that we are in the era and everybody is searching for healthy eating content, lifestyle, what I eat in a day, healthy veggies I eat in a day, healthy meals I eat in a week, stuff like that. And even exercises they can do at home, 10 to 20 minute workout they can add to their routine and they are good to go. If you have this channel, you can start it up. Some people even start it up as a vlog. You can do whatever you want to. All I'm here to tell you is that this channel goes viral quickly. Okay, let's move on to the last and final niche on my list. Okay, my sprinkles. The last and final niche on my list is the medical niche. You see the way I didn't differentiate the niche, I just put it in one umbrella as the medical niche. That means you can crave out your own niche in this medical field. If you're a dental hygiene student, if you're a doctor, if you're a gynecologist, if you're different parts in the medical field, you can crave out your own niche and teach. You can talk about babies' health, you can talk about children from age 2 to 3, 4, 5, you can talk about women, you can talk about males' health. Any health in particular, you can just crave out your own. There are so many people looking for doctors that will explain to them what is going on in their body. You have lots of audience checked, you have lots of age ranges checked. People are online on YouTube looking for medical practitioners they can talk about health. I'm telling you, different age ranges. You can talk about any type of health related issues. It could be dental, it could be about body care, female care, male care, it can be about childbearing, different topic, versatile. Your audience is everywhere. Never seen a medical channel on medical niche that is without subscribers. Lots of subscribers because they are value packed niche. This niche is what everybody wants. It's value packed and people learn a lot. I have learned so many things here on YouTube that if I didn't watch it on YouTube or learn it here, I would have gone to my doctor, pay consultancy fee, and I will still learn the same thing. Okay, so if you think you have time and you are an authority in the medical field, please, we need you here. We need you on YouTube. Okay, now this is the end of the video, and if you have any question, my sprinkles, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely reply you because I love interacting with you guys. And at this point, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to share my videos so it can get lots of viewers, and you will help push my channel towards more viewers, and the algorithm will keep on pushing my other videos. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and please don't forget to stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.